Hi, and welcome to Collective Noun. That's what I'm going to be talking about today. Are you ready? Here we go. A collective noun can be defined as the noun that refers to a group of people, animals, or things as one unit. For example, my family is here. Family. So here, you understand that I mean a group of related people. The class is quiet. A group of students. I'm talking about the class. Our team is ready for you. A group of players. I'm talking about the team. A group of players. Let's have more examples of collective nouns. Audience, choir, crowd, flock, panel, board, mob, directorate, herd, committee, gang, congregation, galaxy, a galaxy of stars, swarm, a swarm of bees, bunch, a bunch of bananas, bouquet, a bouquet of flowers. Good. So, do you say, for example, do you say, my family is here, or my family are here? My family was here, or my family were here. My family has a car, or my family have a car. My family helps me, my family helps me, or my family help me. Let's have a look at this. In British English, a collective noun can be used with either a singular or a plural verb. In American English, it must be used with a singular verb. This comes from Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary. You should also remember that this does not apply to all of the collective nouns. So if you see a collective noun that you do not know how it is used, use the dictionary to know that. So that's it for today's lesson. I hope it was interesting. I hope you enjoyed it. And I say, until next time.